Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode of Bars Talk on Bars Beat. Yes, Bars Beat. Now, today in the program, we're gonna discuss this topic of who is the dancehall king, or the king of dancehall. Yes, one way king where we're crowned. Yeah man, one who reach to that top, one who reach to that point. Before we go in there, all may I say, who just joining this program, please may I implore you, subscribe, and if you want the latest videos, also click the bell straight. Yes. Now, as we talk about the dancehall, where dancehall come from? Where it start? Long and short, dancehall was a place where people go dance to music. It was a place and it's called dance hall. So it was a hall where people go dance. Simple one too. Yeah man. So it lead from a place to a genre of music that was derived from basically reggae music. And the pioneers them in it, the one who started off are from Daddy U-Ride days them, come up to Yellow Man, Beenie Man, Bounty, Vybz Kartel present. So that's how it started. Now official king was Yellow Man, and that's why his name King Yellow Man. Then the other one from that, Beenie Man. Some would say he's not the king. Some say he call himself king, but King Beenie Man then call him too. And that's right. So people are going to know how comes you not the king right there. So the king, everybody has scuffle for the king, who are the king. Some say Vybz Kartel, some say Massacre, some say I still Beenie Man, some say even still Yellow Man. Yeah man, that's how it go. But in order to have a king for the dancehall, an official king where everybody say yes, and really and truly, you have to have a criteria to make sure say nobody question. Because you know why? You see when you want to say a king, it becomes an opinionative thing where it becomes opinionative and becomes so emotional. People get so emotional when they talk about king because everybody have them favorite. And everybody are going to argue for them favorite. Say watch out, this one you have the most number one. This man you can rock his stage show better. The one you lyrical more. So many different criteria that people are going to put them artists in and give themselves the king. So, you want now, the Bars Beat are going to put some criteria out. Where them the criteria they are what people for use. I would assume, I would hope a body for music, take it on and say watch out. And this way I go use code. And when they do that now, you don't X out nobody because by saying this man are the king, it's not like you say the man are not good. You understand what I say? Yes, there are so much. Because in a football they call Pele the king of football. But that means Maradona not good and Ronaldo and Messi and them man there. You have good one, but you have the man up at the pinnacle. So here, first criteria in the dancehall, you have to have a palace. You have to have a palace. In order to have a king to hinna it. Or you get a king without a palace, eh? Yeah man, so you have to have a palace. So you see palace for dancehall, where you think it is? Or where it's supposed to be? Jamaica. Yes, because a dancehall music originated in Jamaica. Because we know say you have Ding Dong where do some Afrobeat, them are do little Afrobeat too. And I think Massacre do an Afrobeat song with the lady they were really like we just spend me. Good. But there's no way you're gonna hear say any one of them artists are the king of Afrobeat. Because what you think? Afrobeat, even though it take a little piece of dancehall music and string up the whole thing, the composition and make it turn Afrobeat, where the genre come from? Or where the genre originate? Down Africa. So any man that the king of Afrobeat, it have to be down most of Nigeria. You see me? Alright. So we established the king, the palace, Jamaica. No. The king supposed to reign. So you can't say this a man a king, King Yellow Man from years back. You can't say King Yellow Man a king now. It would be unfair to the one that may put in the work right now and can't hold the crown. So King, by virtue of that, King Yellow Man disqualified from in the race. Big respect to him, I'm an artist. Yeah, Beenie Man, big man in the game, a color, but him not reigning. Bounty, not reigning. So them big artists, they will put some hit songs on the board. Over the years, them not reigning now. You see when you put them criteria in now, you don't offend the artists them will not put in and say, yo, the man you are king. You don't make them feel say them not worthy or them not valued. Because sometimes when you do them something, you make a man feel say you not rate him. See? Or you not consider him or all I work with him do not count as nothing. Even though you know, the artists they make some serious money off of them songs, you know. See? So if you have the palace at Jamaica, all of the criteria then, Jamaica it for them. So we don't want to rule out nobody, but here by virtue of the palace then, we want to know who are run the palace. and who are run Jamaica. By virtue of that now, you are going to eliminate some people when I run Jamaica. And we now say if they not run Jamaica, they're not good enough. We are establish one little criteria. Then, and put in a little premise in say, yes, I saw a king. So if we say Sean Paul, disqualified. Shaggy them, disqualified. Omi or OMI, we're saying, oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. Disqualified from. No offense to them. But as we say, the Palace of Jamaica. So we are eliminating some people. Busy them, disqualified. So, you see what we are talking about now? We are narrowed down. And then we're going right now to say, the man them who are running Jamaica, Vybz Kartel, and him are running for a good one. Massacre, him are running. Chronic Law, I run it. But at them people there, I run it. At them names that we call, I give the place a run. For them money, any dance you call, we and put them on the stage show. Each a go sell off, each a go ram. You understand me? Yeah, Dexter that, you won't put him say a hardcore dancehall, but him in it. Cause in between dancehall, him in a reggae, and him have a genre for himself too. Me don't know him how call it, but he's a genre that for himself. Said speed, I have this youth name. What the youth name again? Jacob. Him a run it too, cause him have a little R&B dancehall to it. Might create a genre for himself too. Yeah man, a nighty boy. But them man they not really in at the front line of the qualification. When you go further down now, is for say how many hit songs these artists are pull out. And my timeline is for a 5-year period. We don't want to put 10, because 10 started too much. One whole generation, that half a generation we put. If you say the dancehall king, if you run. So you run it for 5 years. You see me? Starting from when? Ending now, 5 years. And then we have to say Vybz Kartel run. Him songs still remain current and relevant. And as him drop a road, him hit a song, Comet, and the song Comet. You see me? Yes, Massacre, constant string of hit song where run the place for the last umpteen years as well. And Chronic Law, slower hit songs. So by virtue of that, are them 3 artists there where I hold the front line. And then we talk about streaming. And the numbers are still them artists there. Stream consistent. And that's right there now. And that's right there. So, by virtue of that now, I say top 3 artists. And you know what I do? I not go separate the 3 them. I go left it me. Uno tell me, out of that top 3 artists there, which one of them uno put as a king, the reigning king? Anyway, I step out of this thing, you know, man. I give you a chance to let me know what you think about this thing, because it's a powerful thing. And you see what I read? You see it? Yeah, man. I represent Set Speed, King of Dancer. Let me know. And it's a Duke as usual. And I say what? Have that.